It's always been mind-blowing. That's the one term you always hear. This is so mind-blowing, right?
We don't bring in any sliced breads or hamburger buns or croissants or desserts or anything like that. If we can't make it, we should be making it, and we're extending that to our farm operations as well. As much as we can grow and produce right here on campus, that's our goal. My name is Peter Balabut from the University of North Texas.
Hey, I'm Chris. I'm with the University of North Texas.
Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm with the University of North Texas.
My name is Matthew Ward, here with the UNT Dining Services, and we grow
food here.
My name is Peter Balabut. I'm Executive Director of Dining Services at the University of North Texas. The University of North Texas is located in Denton, Texas, which is the tip of the Golden Triangle, with Fort Worth being the west side and Dallas being the east side of the triangle. UNT has approximately 47,000 students enrolled, and we're happy to serve all of them through food service.
My name is Matthew Ward. I'm Executive Chef of Residential Dining here at UNT Dining Services. I oversee culinary operations in 5 of our dining halls. 99% of the food that we serve each day is made by hand, and that's a pride thing for us. We want to make sure that we're providing nutritious foods to our patrons each and every day. We kind of follow a philosophy, if we can't produce it, then we don't serve it.
So right now, we've got the leafy green machine over behind Mean Greens, which is our vegan dining hall. We purchased that back in 2016, and that was our workhorse farm for many years. This past year, we had a generous sponsorship from the Diamond Eagle Society, and they basically sponsored the purchase of a second farm in the form of the greenery.
I think making a commitment to growing food on campus shows that we're sustainable, that we care about our student population, that we care about the food that students and any patron that comes through our dining halls is putting into their body.
With the sponsorship, we were also allowed to put the greenery right across from one of our new dining facilities, Eagle Landing. And basically, when you come on campus, it's clear the commitment to the whole food approach and what the direction is for serving our students on campus.
So the produce that we produce in our hydroponics and the Greenery S and the LGM, it's like night and day. We do a lot of tours through those facilities, and you pick a leaf or you pick a radish and you say, here, try this. And everybody always says, oh my gosh, this tastes so fresh. And that's the big thing. There's a freshness aspect to it. You know where it's coming from. It's just in its purest form. So that's a big thing for us, is that we want to make sure that we're providing that service and those types of produce products to our students and any patrons that come through our dining halls each and every day.
University of North Texas Dining Services is a self-operated dining program, which means we're all employees of the university, the state of Texas. And basically, back in 2009, we made a shift in how we look at how we do food, going away from highly processed foods and instead embracing more foods made from scratch, chef-driven menus and things like that. So over the course of the past years, we've really embraced that into bringing homegrown veggies on campus as well.
Eagle Landing is definitely different than the other 4 dining halls on campus. It has more of a food court style feel to it, more of maybe a retail feel to it. It's 7 different stations. You can get anything from hamburgers and chicken sandwiches at Wood Grill to Latin Fusion at La Mesa. There's this gorgeous salad bar when you walk in the door at Leaf. We have a pho station that anchors Leaf, and we also have a plant-based station that is on the other side of Leaf that anchors that as well. Bamboo Basil is a wok station where employees are out there making stir-fried items as you walk up. And then we also have Cibo Fresco, pizza and pasta. And what college student doesn't like pizza and pasta, right? Clark Bakery has their own station here as well, where you can get all of the great cookies and the cakes and the bars and the house-made ice cream that we make on campus each and every day. So it's definitely an experience from start to finish.
Yeah, so we take the tops, so we'll cook all these now. Braised greens. Got what size you shoot off for.
My name is Christopher Williams. I'm the Assistant Director for Dining Services here at the University of North Texas. I'm also the Chef General Manager of Mean Greens Cafe, the first and only all-vegan dining facility on a college campus in the country. We try to cater to everybody. So if you're a meat eater, you come here, we try to make things that kind of give you the feel of what you're used to while trying to give you a little bit of what vegans can go through or what they enjoy or what you might enjoy. So a lot of it is flavor building and trying new things. We've done a lot of stuff over the years that's kind of taken us to a new level in how vegans look at food or how Texans can look at some of the stuff. Like, you know, we do a smoked watermelon sandwich that kind of mimics roast beef and things like that. So there's a lot of opportunity for us to kind of, you know, put out there what we can do and kind of show people that veganism doesn't have to be what, you know, most people really think about it at first. I think we started exploring food to get a little closer to where we get our things from. We try to source as locally as possible, but being able to grow it in your backyard makes that even closer. So about 7 years ago, we started with freight farms growing leafy greens and herbs, and we just expanded our project to where we're trying to get some other things out there, some root vegetables and things like that. So it just allows us the opportunity to bring the farm closer to the operation. Right now, Erin Klarner, she's our farm supervisor. She's taken the project and run with it. Erin actually started with us as a freshman part-time worker. She worked here for 4 years. She graduated and she came on full-time as part of our culinary team. From there, she kind of jumped on board with this project and she's taken it there for the last 2 years, and the greenery is where it's at today.
Hi, my name is Erin Klarner, and I am a culinary farmer for the University of North Texas Dining Services. So I take care of the hydroponic facilities on campus, as well as do a little cooking in the kitchen. Every day, I just come in, check the levels, see that all the plants are happy, make sure what needs to get harvested, seeding, so I can always have a consistent schedule. That way, the dining halls can depend on us for produce and herbs. Check in with staff as well, see what dining halls need produce. Do a little bit of cleaning to make sure it always looks pretty. You never know when someone's going to come in and tour. We've always got students excited to see what we do here on campus.
It's a big staple in what we do here, providing it on the salad bar, people being able to see us harvest directly from outside right inside to the salad bar. From there, we expand out to Eagle Landing down the street, one of our bigger halls, Champs, our athletics facility, and then catering functions and things of that nature. So right now, we cover 3 halls, and hopefully with our next box that we get, we're able to get the entire operation.
We grow all kinds of different lettuces. We've got romaines, butterhead, bib. We also grow all kinds of basil. We've got our citrus, Genovese, cinnamon, and sweet Thai basil. And of course, we've got our Swiss chards. We've recently started experimenting with root vegetables like carrots and radishes.
We've got this big 9 allergen-free dining hall. We've got Mean Greens. And really and truly, from the standpoint of all of our resident dining halls and food operations that we have on campus, we could probably get away serving the campus community with 2 or 3 of them. Since we've got all of these dining halls, what we do is we add value to the meal plan by making them special. The vegan dining facility, having the big 9 allergen-free dining facility, and then of course taking something and transforming it into a commissary bakery.
I say the bakery is super impressive. I'm impressed by it, and I've been cooking for almost 20 years. So to just walk in every day and see, you know, fresh breads and some of the things that we're capable on campus, you know, fresh croissants made with butter from France, it's pretty impressive for me, and I see it every day. But to go from each hall and see the way we work with whole food, whole ingredients, how we make things happen is something that, you know, we like for people to see.
I think growing food on campus offers transparency for our students, that they get to see how their food is grown, where it comes from, if it's, you know, ethically sourced and pesticide free. Just, I think it's important people know where their food comes from and how it's grown, because that's what they're putting into their bodies.
I guess the proudest thing for me for working at UNT Dining Services is just the commitment to excellence, to making sure that we're doing food service the right way, that we look at food service from a different angle, that we're putting the commitment in, that we're making sure that we're keeping the promise that we make to these parents when they drop their kids off in August, that we're going to take care of them. That's the biggest thing for us, and that's the biggest thing that, I come to work every day making sure that I'm providing the best food service experience to each and every patron that comes through the doors at any of our residential dining services, because that's what it's about. It's about an experience. It's about making sure that we're serving great food that's well thought out, that we're celebrating many of the cultures that are on campus by all of these special events that we do, and kind of including everybody into it. So that's kind of the proudest things I love doing each and every day, is being in the kitchens with these talented chefs and food service workers that keep the operation going each and every day.
Because who doesn't love fresh things?